Today we're going to load the string in your EGO weed eater using the power load function. This is an awesome feature and only a few select models of the EGO weed eaters use them. Let's get into it. Don't forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. First, you're going to take the battery out of your EGO weed eater and then just flip it over. Simple as that. Grab you some string, cut it into 2 equal lengths. I normally use like a few feet, like maybe 2.5, 3 feet. And then we're just going to place the ends of that onto each side of the EGO weed eater's head. You can see there. Now, one would think it's that easy. Then you just take the battery and plug it up to the end. Flip the weed eater back over. Then we're going to walk back up to the front and we're going to press that power load button. It's right there at the base of the head. You see me pressing it with my thumb. And you would think it's that easy, but as you can see, it's not always that simple. On this occasion, only one side was loading, the other side didn't load. So, if you are having that problem that I was having as well, I ended up just taking out one side of the string, and then I was able to feed it back into there. However, sometimes you have to feed it in at a specific angle. So if you've got it in one angle of that little hole, just reverse it and put it in the other angle too. But remember, you might have to take the other side out too because it's already fed in there. So to do that, you're really just going to have to take the head of it off. There are 2 little clips. You just press those in and it just pops right off. Just pull that string right back out, put the head back on, and try it again. It's really that simple. I had to do this 2 or 3 times. You can see me taking the head off there a couple different times. It just didn't seem to want to work, but once I got it to work, it actually worked out really, really well. So if you get it the first time, let me know down in the comment section below because I had to do this 3 or 4 times, but that function is really, really awesome. I really enjoy just being able to put that string in there and having to load it up having it load up by itself. It's really, really awesome. But you can see there, I'm still having a little bit of problems, but this time I was able to get it loaded and I ended up just cutting off the end of that big string. So don't forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one.